how to become a 6A8-5 and beyond. I can talk about how to become a 6A8-5 because I got there from being a 1A to 6A to 6A2-2 all the way to 6A8-5. When you speak about high goals, people will say you're crazy. And then when you get it, they will say you're lucky. There's no middle way. It's either you're crazy or you're lucky. The human brain will come up with ways to get to where you're going. You make a goal so big beyond what you thought your capability is, and your brain will start finding ways to make it happen. In the 1960s, John F. Kennedy said we will put a man on the moon in 10 years, and 10 years later we put a man on the moon. People who achieve a whole lot more, who set high goals, they set goals that are beyond their experience. 80% of reaching a high goal is just psychology. It's programming. It's mindset. The mechanics is only 20%. The question of how to do it, what to do, what to say, that's only 20%. The 80% that stops a whole lot of people from reaching their goal is the mindset, is their programming. The reason why majority of people cannot imagine reaching a high goal is that they look at their total experience of the past, and based on the past experience, they know what is attainable. Most people do not achieve more than what they have at the present moment. Is because of that belief that those big goals are beyond the capability. It's beyond their imagination, beyond what their mind can compute. But it's not. We are the sum total of everything that have been programmed into us in the past. And until you change that programming, no matter how much know-how and skill and knowing what to do, will not enable you to reach those big goals until you have changed this programming. It's just the limiting beliefs based on our past that makes us set little goals. The actuality is there's so much more. By changing the programming of your mind, you can shoot for high goals, faraway goals, and reach it by changing the program of your mind. Now, what do I mean by beyond? My next goal is to reach 6A25-8. Let's talk of having 250,000 sales to 1 million sales in the whole organization. When we were starting Enagic, Mr. Oshiro, when I joined in 2006, we were doing about 100 to 200 machines a month. He shoot a goal of doing 5,000 units a month, and we hit it. It took so many years, but we hit. Now from 5,000 a month, Mr. Oshiro shoot a goal of doing 20,000 a month. And I know we are going to hit it. I mean, he's doing measures to make it happen. People who change this world, people who achieve a whole lot, think like that. Okay, so once you have the principle, the system, you follow it through until you get there. Okay, so the same principle that got me, for instance, from point 1 to point 2, which is 1A to 6A8-5, the same principle with a little bit of tweak will bring you to 6A8-5 to 6A25-8. You set the goal and you do what it takes to get there. You don't give up. Now, there's so much more that we are able to do that we have not even used. And it's the same thing with our life. You make a goal so big beyond what you thought your capability is, and your brain will start finding ways to make it happen.